G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, I believe from the Winton main side area. The rules in millimetres. Material's wetter than the white that you're seeing. There's the light reflecting. I've blocked it down so it's not as much material, but this material's had pockets of colour in it. It was quite a big boulder, bigger than you could pick up. It's been cut down into a few smaller pieces, and I've been working my way through some of it, broke some of it up and cut it. Other pieces I've left and put up as specimen pieces like this. There's a bit of red showing up here, so maybe cut that off through there, and then have that piece come off, and then you've got a piece probably about 10-15 mil thick here, and then you could split it. There's the seam coming through there. I think you need to cut that piece off first, and then whatever you get out of here is a secondary piece. There's no other seam in it, as you can see. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.